running an event booth or seminar, a weak Wi-Fi signal can ruin sales fast. Mobile checkout apps often crash right when attendees are ready to pay. Here's a quick beginner-friendly backup when your Wi-Fi drops during an event. Create a QR code in Canva that links to a short Google form where attendees can reserve their spot or ticket type. That way, you still capture their details and confirm interest even if your checkout app goes offline. It is a handy backup, but it still means extra follow up later, and you risk losing sales if people don't complete payment after the event. That's where EasyPay Direct makes it easy. Their mobile payments system processes transactions securely on site and automatically syncs once you're back online. Plus, with transaction routing, your payments stay stable even if one connection or account has issues. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can check it out. With mobile processing and built-in routing, you can keep payments flowing even when your Wi-Fi cuts out. When you are hosting in-person events, every second counts. EasyPay Direct keeps your sales moving whether it's online or offline, so you never miss a transaction. Use the link in the description to get started today.